Welcome to the Manufacturing Skills for Connecticut website. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the Manufacturing Skills Connecticut website to easily access information on Connecticut manufacturing. This site provides a forum for educators and employers to collaborate on building manufacturing pathways. This site also informs students and families about great career opportunities available in manufacturing. The information found here includes information on school programs, career pathways, Connecticut manufacturers, as well as a variety of other tools and resources. So where to begin? Are you an educator, manufacturer, or student? If you are an educator, scroll down to the home page and choose the Educator's path. Click Explore in the Educator's box. Educators can use this website to develop or enhance their manufacturing programs and find information to help encourage students to consider a career in manufacturing. Scroll down the Educators page and you will find a comprehensive map of manufacturing companies found here in Connecticut. Use this resource to reach out to companies to arrange student internships, manufacturing tours, and guest speakers. Another important resource for educators can be found by scrolling down on the Educator's Pathway page and clicking School Reports. Here, educators can find in-depth analysis on a number of manufacturing programs in the area. This could be an opportunity to connect with other manufacturing program staff to develop a partnership or create a learning community. Are you a manufacturing company looking to hire? Scroll down the home page and choose the Manufacturing Companies path. Click Explore in the Manufacturing Companies box. Manufacturers can use this website to develop their K-12 talent pipeline. Scroll down and click on the School Programs button to access an interactive map showing what school programs are available in your area. This information can help manufacturers to reach out to school contacts to build relationships and develop partnerships with school programs. If you are a student, scroll down the home page and choose the Students and Families path. Click on Explore in the Students and Families box. Here, students can learn more about Connecticut manufacturers, explore a large variety of career pathways, and learn about additional education and training options. Click Watch the videos, and you will find a selection of videos introducing you to some of the manufacturing companies here in Connecticut, along with videos detailing available student programs. Let's go back to the Student and Families page. Scroll down to Resources for Students and Families. Click Explore in the Connecticut Manufacturing Companies box. Here you will find a list of manufacturing companies found throughout the state of Connecticut. You can narrow your search by distance to your location or sort by choosing a more specific manufacturing industry. Another great resource found on the Students and Families page is the information on manufacturing pathways. Scroll down to Resources for Students and Families. Click Explore in the Manufacturing Pathways box. Here you will find information on a wide variety of potential career pathways, including education and training requirements, needed skills and abilities, information on wages and projected employment, and related career pathway resources. It would take too long to detail all the resources and information that can be found on this website. We strongly encourage you to explore the site and discover resources including newsletters, podcasts, reports, links to other organizations, and information on the current climate of manufacturing in Connecticut. If you are an educator, manufacturer, or student, this website will provide you with the information that you need on local student programs, Connecticut manufacturers, and the many career pathways available in manufacturing. We encourage you to use this site to reach out to other organizations that can help you achieve your goals in manufacturing.